Hello guys, in this video we will compare Magic 6 Pro versus Vivo X100 Pro. Guys, Magic 6 Pro have 50 megapixel camera and Vivo X100 Pro have 200 megapixel camera. Look at these, but I don't think there is much difference. So this is the official result of the Honor Magic 6 Pro 50 megapixel camera. So guys, let's talk about the price. Honor Magic 6 Pro have price 51k in India and Vivo X100 Pro price is 1 lakh rupees in India. So now daylight shoots. And there is a small difference in Magic 6 Pro and Vivo X100 Pro. Magic 6 Pro have OLED display while Vivo X100 Pro have Amoled display. And both have Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset. So guys, I have not noticed anything. Even Magic 6 Pro is somehow better than Vivo X100 Pro, as you can see in these pictures. So I suggest you to buy Magic 6 Pro instead of buying Vivo X100 Pro. One of the reason is that Magic 6 Pro is much cheaper than Vivo X100 Pro. So I suggest you to buy Magic 6 Pro instead of going X100 Pro. Guys, tell me in the comment section. I will waiting for your reply. So you can see here there is not much difference. So guys, look at the greenery. You can see that Magic 6 Pro is somehow have better results than Vivo X100 Pro. And so look at this picture. You can see the 6 Pro and Vivo X100 Pro. Even for your satisfaction, you can see here Vivo X100 Pro and Magic 6 Pro.